friends, my name is Tifa and today I'll be talking to you about a delicious Japanese dessert called Shokupan. Now, I'm sure most of you, like myself, are huge fans of sweets, and if you've clicked on this video then you're probably a fan of Japanese food, specifically. From mochi to souffle pancakes, I have had some amazing experiences eating Japanese-made desserts, and one of my most recent favorites is Shokupan. Shokupan translates literally to loaf of bread, and is this delicious fluffy loaf made as a dessert or even as a savoury option if you prefer. I've been missing travelling due to COVID, but luckily Chubby Boy in Perth, Australia invited me into their lovely cafe to try some of their Shokupan. So come with me and let's try one of my all-time favourite Japanese desserts, Down Under. I've invited my good friend Emerald, or 1GreenEmerald, along for the Shokupan journey. We have always bonded over Japanese food and sweet treats, so I thought she would be the perfect person to bring along. When we looked at the menu, we were immediately drawn to the sweet section of Shokupan. We most commonly know the sweeter side of this dish, but also noticed some savoury Shokupan as well, and thought why not try a little bit of both. If you're not really prepared to have a full Shokupan, they have lovely little diet chubby meals as well, and other sweet desserts in their cabinet.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. May I hold you one last time?
So after all of our filming and stuff today, we are ready to dig into all of this food, so yeah, let's eat! I'm gonna put the cheese that Amy took off back into the sander. Like sander that's fallen apart. How is it?
It's actually delicious.
It's delicious. I'm gonna steal this plate. It looks so good.
I think I might be addicted.
I have not tried the sandos yet, so we'll see. The hash brown fell apart because of Emmy's cutting.
Sorry. I'm doing good.
It's pretty good. So good.
It's really good.
So good. I could have like one of these every day.
The bread's like sweet. The Japanese bread is always sweet. but then the savory on the inside is like actually delicious.
How you doing there, Emmy?
I'm about to dig in. Delicious.
Matcha one is my personal favorite, and I think it's Emmy's favorite as well. It's a little melted, so when we cut it, it didn't do so well, but that's our fault because we were obviously filming some stuff and trying to take some really nice photos of this lovely matcha Shokupan. So, yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Now
Still tastes great.
Still tastes great? That's good. There you go. You heard it here first from Emerald. 1GreenEmerald says it tastes great.
I need to figure out how to stream.
Hello! Miss you, Bran! Let's try this again because I'm still not sure what kind of flavor this has, but it tastes pretty good. So, yeah, this is our savoury Shokupan. And yeah, let's give it a bite. It weirdly tastes like I'm eating sushi in a bread.
Sushi bread.
It weirdly tastes like sushi bread.
Sushi pan.
But it like sushi pan. Sushi pan! But it tastes so good!
You're like, I'm confused, but it tastes good.
Yeah.
It tastes like potato salad or something. Maybe there's some Tabasco in it. I mean, it tastes good, whatever it is.
It's weird, it's hard to describe, isn't it?
No, it's like egg salad.
It's like egg salad.
Because it's got like the little egg bits in there.
So yeah, that's our Shokupan experience here in Australia. Obviously, because we can't travel to Japan, we would have loved to try so many different Japanese dishes and sweets over there, but since we can't, we gotta make do with what we have here, and considering that I make a lot of content that is otaku and generally Japanese related, I thought this would be a really interesting experience to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see similar content, then don't forget to subscribe. Let me know down below what your favorite Japanese dessert is, and yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!